Microwaves, electromagnetic rays with frequencies between 300 MHz and 300 GHz. Microwaves are widely used in the radio broadcasting, and it is no any medium to travel. It's suitable for the wireless transmission. There in satellite communication, radar signals, phones move away from the resistors, capacitors, and inductors used with lower frequency radio waves. Open wire and coaxial lines used at lower frequencies. More methods are used for designing and analysis. High frequency power microwave sources are specialized vacuum tubes to generate microwaves. Higher frequency wavelength decreases the objects used. Advantages of microwaves: not required cable connection, carry high quantities of information due to their high operating frequencies, access more number of channel, low cost land purchase, each tower occupies small area, high frequency short wavelength signals requires small antenna. Disadvantages of microwaves: attenuation by solid objects, birds, rain, snow, and fog. Each expensive to build long towers refracted around solid objects, reflected from the flat surfaces like water and metal, refracted by the atmosphere, thus causing the beam to be projected away from receiver. Applications of microwave: 1 to 40 GHz wireless transmission signals having higher bandwidth. Radar system and radar uses microwave radiator to detect the range, distance, and other characteristics of sensing devices and mobile broad application. Microwave technology used in the node for broadcasting and telecommunication of transmission, because due to the small wavelength, highly directional waves, smaller and low frequency before information introduction of in fiber optic transmission, telephone for long distance communication.